Hello and namaste. This is me Anand back again with a new video all the way from Atlantic City, New Jersey. If you're planning a trip to Atlantic City and sort of confused and if you want to browse how the Caesars Hotel look like, then this video might be useful to you. I'll be showing you the parking lot and then the check-in, and I'll be giving you the tour of one of the rooms where we stayed and then take you to the interior. I'll show you the interior and the exterior of the Caesars and hopefully some clips of the casino. So stay tuned, let's go ahead. So we are finally at the parking lot of Caesars Hotel and we just parked our car. Now we are going to the hotel for check-in.
Parking is not free, but the rate is flat. We parked at the self-parking area and it cost us $15. You are charged only during the exit. If you are staying in the hotel, then you can show your hotel check-in details at the exit. With that, you can get a pass, which you can use for unlimited in and out during your whole stay.
The property is massive, and we are and sitting at the lobby area right now. And let's go now do the check-in. We'll do the check-in right over there, and then we'll go head out to the room.
Oh, they got this self-check-in. Let's try it. I tried it, but instead of looking into my email about the whole details, I chose to do check-in in person. It was quick and easy. Staff was very easy and helpful. Pretty much great experience.
Yeah, this should be fine. Thank you. So guys, finally we got our room key and it's time to go and check the room. Let's go ahead.
Before heading to the room, we planned to get some snacks and explore the lobby area. We had some fun time here, took some photos and enjoyed the vibes. The whole interior was simply amazing. This is just a lobby area. There is a lot inside to explore. It's like a blend of modern elegance and classic charm. The ambiance is just right, setting the tone for an amazing stay. The design is on point, creating a welcoming atmosphere that's both stylish and comfortable. Our room is in the South Tower. Let's head into the room and explore it. If you are booking the room in Caesar, I would recommend the Ocean Tower, as many of the facilities like the swimming pool, gym and other facilities are in the Ocean Tower. Also, the Ocean Tower hallway looks pretty much modern and cleaner. Not sure if the price is high there or not, but I hope it should be little bit higher than the South Tower.
I choose that one.
Choose this one.
I choose that one. I win.
You better. Ice cream time with sunglasses on top of them.
Let's go. So this is the hallway to our room.
Again, you said that.
Yes.
In case someone forgets. Of course.
This is the South Tower room. two queen bedroom. And let me explore, let me show you the room or what they have inside the room, so that it will be easy for you for your next visit. If you're planning to stay here and planning to book a room, this is how it looks like. Woo. Whoa!
And
We had a nice stay.
yeah, we're going to another hotel, so let's see you there. And the view's wonderful instead of ugly. Tickle, tickle.
So, after spending some time in this room at Caesars Atlantic City, I can confidently say it's a fantastic choice for those looking for a mix of luxury and comfort. Now let's take a break from the room tour and explore the casino floor and interior design. Caesars Atlantic City is known for its extensive gaming options, and it's easy to see why. The floor is buzzing with activity, and there's something for every type of gamer. Caesars is a well-known hotel and casino located on the famous Atlantic City Boardwalk in New Jersey. It is a part of the Caesars Entertainment Corporation, a prominent name in the gaming and hospitality industry. Taking a moment to appreciate the interior design, Caesars has done a fantastic job of creating an opulent yet welcoming space. The architecture is impressive. The attention to detail extends to every corner of the hotel, making it a visual delight.
Finally, it's time to check out. Our stay at our Cedar Hotel was wonderful. We had a great time. We spent some time in the casino and walking around the property. The property is great. It's massive. It's a big, great buildings. A lot of statues. So thank you guys for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe, and coming up with another video very soon. Thank you again. Bye bye.
Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, everyone. Bye.
Well, that wraps up our tour of Caesars Atlantic City. From the thrilling casino floor to the exquisite dining options and the overall grandeur of the hotel, it's no wonder why this place is a favorite among visitors. If you've been here, share your experiences in the comments below. And if you haven't, consider adding Caesars to your list of must-visit destinations. Thanks for joining us on this adventure, and until next time, happy exploring.